This is my November 3rd tutorial. We're going to touch on a load of topics that were asked about in the group during the week. So sit back and enjoy. Okay, yesterday I posted a tongue-in-cheek request for more tracks to put sound on, and a couple of people have asked me how I made the video that goes with it. So let's run through it. Okay, so here we are in templates. Now, most of what you see from me is not templates because I like to do my own thing. But in this case, I wanted to do the video very quickly, so I looked for a template. So I typed Christmas. And then I was given this nice list here of all the different things. And the one I chose to use is this one. And you'll see it's called Happy Holiday Gift Card, and it's by Kate. So let's click on it. Oh, we get a pretty tune. And I used this Christmas thing because I was asking for a gift for Christmas. So let's click Use This Template. So there we are, loaded 100%, and there it is. So what did I do? I then made some changes. So in Happy Holidays, I simply went in and typed multi-track music. Yep, multi-track music. I then went them to this, let them choose a gift card. Please give it to us. And then I changed it on the second row to say for Christmas. Okay, I then have got these other two items. Now, I don't want to put a logo up. I wanted to put something Christmassy up, and I'm not asking order now. That sort of could be taken a bit cheekily. Order you now to do this. So I deleted that. And then I went over to the menu and I looked at stickers. And I searched stickers for Christmas. For Christmas. Now, I personally liked it when we had the different headings and sections, but the searchability is quite a boon. And then I thought, well, let's find something we can add on to make it pretty and Christmassy. So I thought, oh, quite like this, a present and a bells. So I added the bells. I moved them up to the top. I got them in the middle. I made them a bit bigger. There. And there we are. So that was the first thing I added. The second thing I added was there. And now I'm going to stop because the telephone's ringing. Okay, I'm not sure whether you heard my phone, but it was on vibrate and buzzing around like a bee and jumping up and down. Anyway, let's carry on now. So we've got these two items and I added some animation to them. So the present, I wanted something a little bit more than fade in, so I chose to have it fly down from the top. So let's find the fly down from the top. The flight. So flight from up, and I made that just under 3 seconds. And the other one, I put some animation on that as well. But this time I did it coming in from the bottom, so I had it come in from the bottom on something. Which we have. We've had the flight. Oh, let's do happy landing from down. And let's make that best part of 3 seconds as well. So now we can quickly check the scene. Takes a few moments. and ooh, horrible ugly stop. So I did one more thing. I went to edit and I came over to here and I added a fade. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to export that and add that behind this little bit of video. Okay, my friend Brigitte from South Africa, she asked about getting photos into circles. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to shapes. We're going to open shapes up. We're going to find a circle and we're going to add it. And we're going to make that circle quite big. We're going to stick it in the middle. Not having a good day today. Right, I finally stuck it in the middle. So now we've got a circle. Now we need a shape of a circle but as a mask. So if we go to enhancers, masks, and this is the circle here. This one is a bit misshapen and there's some other versions of circles with holes in them, but this is what we want, so we're going to add that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to swap the layers round. So we're going to bring the element to the front, okay, and we're going to make the element the same size, and you'll see that we get marks there and it's not quite the same there. Okay, so it's roughly the same size there, and let's just put it over the top so the circle is the same size. So now we're going to go back and swap them around again, and we're going to bring the mask to the front. Now what I want to do is I want to use the circle as a frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to make, and I've got the wrong thing, so we're going to undo, okay, and we're going to make sure it's the mask I've got selected, not the element. And what we're going to do is we're going to make the mask smaller, and then we're going to drag that into the middle. Okay, so now we've got a circle outlining our mask. It's not a funeral thing, so let's nip in and change the colour of the element. So let's edit that and let's make it white. Okay, so now we've got a nice white even border. Let's go back to our mask. Okay, so we've got our mask. Let's go to uploads, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to use an uploaded image that I've already got. All I've got to do is find him. Yes, this is my friend Stephen, who I regularly broadcast live with, and let's drag him in. And hey presto, that's exactly what we wanted. So now let's just add a little bit of him and a little bit of animation. So let's have this element fade in. So let's go to edit, let's go to animation, and let's simply have it fade in. Now let's let it fade in over 1.5 seconds. Let's then go to our mask. Now I don't want my mask to appear instantly. I don't want that to start to appear to 1.5 seconds. So I'm going to drag it to here, and I'm then going to add some animation there. And there's, as everybody knows, there's so many different things you can do. So let's roll him in from the left, and again let's make that last 1.5 seconds. So now let's play the scene and see what we get. So I got our fading in, and then Stephen rolls in and appears in the middle with there. I hope that that's useful. That old perennial favourite, the background colour change, popped up again in this week, and also there's more and more questions about memes. I've already put together recently a meme video, so I'm adding that into this today. So enjoy these. Changing your background colour is really easy. Click on the padlock, go to edit, click on colours. You see the colour default is black. Click on there. There's some preset colours below, or you can click anywhere on this bar and then anywhere in the top piece to select a different colour. And after you've selected the colour, go back to the background layer and relock it, and that's changing the background colour. Takes a fraction of a second or two. Hi, Ammon wanted to know how you create the bars at the top and bottom of a video like on a meme or whatever you pronounce it as this week. So here's an example. I've selected a square blank template, and this is it here. Now it's got a black background, and I want to change the colour of the background, so the first thing I have to do is unlock the background, go to edit, go to colours, and I'm going to select a red background. Okay, now we've got build your own scene here. We want some text on this, so I'm going to pull this out, drag it up to just shy of the top. See the line that allows me to centre it, although I've actually pulled it to the two edges. I'm going to do Control C, I'm going to do Control V. I've got two of them now, and I'm going to put one at the bottom as well. So those are my top and bottom sets of text. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to Media, and I'm going to search for videos. And we've got cats as the last thing. Why not? Let's have a look at a cat video. Oh, these two look, well, unexciting, but they're a video, they'll do. So we'll drag our video on. We'll keep, in fact, what we'll do is we'll cut it to 10 seconds. So the important thing to do now is to keep an eye on there. Roughly 10 seconds. Start, finish, 10 seconds. Click done. And now let's just make sure we've got that in the middle. And you can see the crosses show that we've got it in the middle. So now we've got a top part. Let's take that up to the top as well. We can go over here and edit the text. So where are those mice? And we can go to the bottom and we can edit there. I'm hungry, aren't you? Okay, so we've got top and bottom areas there. We've got a video, and now if we play the scene, just take a moment now. Okay, that's 12 seconds and our video is only 10, so what we can do is we can drop it down to 10 seconds here. So we've now got there, and what we can also do is we can look at these and we can look at the animation. So at the moment the in is whole and none. We can change it to character, and there's billions of things we can do here. So let's pick a fairly random one. The drama. Let's drama it in from the right, and let's make it take 2 seconds. And we can go to the bottom one and we can animate that. Again, we've got in and out animations here. We'll leave it at whole and we'll slide it in from the left. And we can out it. I'm going to leave the out at none because I'd like the words on when the whole thing finishes. So we can have another quick look. So if we hit play the scene, and there we have a meme, whatever you want to pronounce it, style of video. Hope that helps. Okay, I hope you found all of those things useful and that they help you improving your InVideo projects. See you soon. Bye.